Exercise 3.2. Question number 1. Find x in the following figures. This is the equilateral triangle given 125 degree in the two angles. Find x. We have to find x. We know that sum of the angles of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Sum of the measures of the exterior angles, okay, exterior angles of any polygon, triangle, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon. Sum means adding all exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. So find x in the following in the figures means there are three angles, exterior angles in the equilateral triangle. Okay, that is the sum of the solution, sum of exterior angles of the polygon is 360 degree. Sum of the exterior angle is 360 degree. That means 125x. 125 degree plus 125 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. 125 plus 125, 250. We can transpose this first 250 degree plus x equal to 360. We can transpose this 250 in the right hand side. X equal to 360 minus 250 plus becomes, when transposing this in the right hand side, becomes plus becomes minus. So minus 250, we get 360 minus 250. Here 10, 1. Now we get 110 degree. 110 degree. That is the answer. Second sum, B sum. Here 5 sides. 5 sides given is 70 degree. 70 degree. Here 90 degree. That is 60 degree. Here x. This is 90. B sum given 70 degree. Here 60 degree. We have to find x. This is the x. Here that is means actual. This means 90 degree. This means 90 degree. Full 90 plus 90, 180 degree. Okay. Actual like this means 90 degree. Here 90 degree. Here also 90 degree. Here also 90 degree. Here also 90 degree. Now when adding this, sum of the exterior angle is 360 degree. So here 2 90s are there. 90 plus 90 degree. Here 70 plus 60 degree. Then x degree equal to 360. Sum of the exterior angle is 360 degree. So when we are adding this, we get the x value. Okay. Now 90 plus 90, 180. 180. 70 plus 60, 130. 130. Adding this 310 we get 310. 310 plus x equal to 360 degree. Here 310 we can transpose this in the right hand side. Plus becomes minus 310. When minus we get 50 degree. X equal to 50 degree. This is the answer. Find the measure of each exterior angle. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. Here given first three sides, this is the three sides, triangle for three sides. Here pentagon for five sides. So we add 5 angles, then we find x degree. Here exterior angle given and regular polygon. Regular polygon have same sides, same equal angle also. The same equal sides means same angle having. Okay, 9 sides having same angle. So that is, we know that sum of the angles is 360 degree. Sum of the exterior angle is 360 degree. That is sum of each exterior angle is 360 degree. Then we can divide it by 9, we get equal angle. Okay, now we find means divided by 9. 360 divided by 9 means 9 4s are 36, 0, 0. So 40 degree we will get. 40 degree is the answer. Now second, 15 sides. Size of here each exterior angle is 360 degree. 15 divided by 15. Now 360 divided by 15. Now 15 2s are 30. 6, 0. So 4. 24 we will get. 24 degree. This is the answer. Third sum. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? Here the second sum, 15 sides and 9 sides. We can write this as, find the measure. So we can write this as measure. Okay. This also measure or size. Okay. Measure of each exterior angle. Like that, how many sides? Here sides given, here angle given. Asking sides. So from this sum, from second sum, we know that number of sides into number of angles equal to 360 degree for exterior angle for regular polygon. Number of sides into number of angle is a 360 degree. So here given 24 degree, given 24 degree. So number of sides means here number of sides, that is equal to, let the number of sides be n. Okay, so n into angle, n into 24, that's equal to 360 degree. N into 24 equal to 360 degree. Here we have to find n means n equal to 360 by 24. 360 by 24. 360 by 24, that is, we can divide this 360 24 one time, 24 210. 24 into 6 4 6 4 6 4 5 are, so 24 into 5, 4 5s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 12, so 120 we get. Now 5s are 120, 0. n equal to then 15. What? Ask how many sides. That is the n equal to 15 means 15 sides. Answer is 15 sides. Fourth sum. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165? We know that sum of the exterior angle is 360 degree. But given that interior angle, I have already told this is 180 degree. This is full 180 degree. Here interior angle 160 means that is B's angle is 165. Full is 180. This angle is 165. Then we have to find this. That is 180 minus 165. Okay. 5, that is 7, 15. Now solution. Interior angle given is 165. We have to find exterior angle. Then only we can find exterior angle equal to 180 minus 165. That is 15 degree. That is 15 degree. Okay. 360 divided by 24 degree here. So number of sides. That's equal to n. Number of sides be n. Now n into 15 degree. That's equal to sum of the exterior angle is 360 degree. So n into 15 is 360. That's n equal to into 15 becomes in the right hand side divided by 15. We know that into 15 divided by 15 becomes in the right hand side. So n we have to find 360 divided by 15, 2 times 30, 6, 0, 4 times 60, 0. So here we get 24. N equal to number of sides. So number of sides is 24. This is the answer. Fifth sum, A sum. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? 22 degree, that is not the divisor of 360. That is, we can divide or not. We have to find 1 time 22. Then we get 4, 1, 0, 14. Now here 22 into 5 times means 110. 6 times we can do. 6 2s are 12. 132. Okay, 6 times 132, that is 8. The remainder, we have remainder as 0. Then only we can get the measure of angle for regular polygon. But here remainder is 8. So not a divisor. So is it possible to have a regular polygon? No. Because not the divisor of 360 degree. That is 22. 22 is not a divisor of 360 degree. Okay. B sum. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? Here exterior angle is 22. Exterior angle is 22. Interior angle means I already told 180. This is 22 means this one is 360 minus 22. Sorry, 180 minus, this is 180. 180 minus 22. 180 minus 22 means 7, 1, 8, 7 to 58, 158. That is 158 is also not a regular polygon. It will also have the remainder. We can check 360, 158. 158 into 2, 0, 1, then 316, 316, 2 times 316, then here 5, 1, 4, here also 4. This is remainder. So it is also, remainder must be 0. Then only we can say regular polygon. So having remainder, it is not a regular polygon. Okay. So we can't divisor of 360 degree. No. Here 180 minus 22. 158. 158. Which is not the 360 degree. Okay. Okay. Sixth sum. Sixth sum, A sum. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Y. Minimum interior angle. Minimum interior angle means interior angle minimum is triangle which has 3 sides. Triangle has 3 sides. That is regular polygons means equilateral triangle. Regular polygon means equilateral triangle having same sides and same angles. That is 60, 60, 60. Okay. Having same sides, that is the equilateral triangle only. Equilateral triangle, that is the regular polygon. That is the regular polygon. Three sides has, that is 180 divided by 3 means 60 we get. Okay, so this is the minimum angle, interior angle. Three sides has the least measure of an interior angle that's equal to 60 degree. It's equal to 60 degree. B sum. What is the maximum exterior angle for the from A? What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? From the A itself we know that the here interior angle, least angle, okay, least measure angle is 60 degree. Then exterior, greatest exterior angle means maximum exterior angle means for the only equilateral triangle also only maximum exterior angle. Maximum exterior angle equal to 1 here 60 degree. 180 minus 60 degree equal to 120 degree. This is the answer.